guys, I am still working on the cover. Still didn't fix that. So I have another one here, probably here, and then I'm gonna put a pocket here. And then of course do a little something inside before I start putting in the signatures. But I don't know why I did this myself, but I wanted to try something different. But Lord, this is work. Hello, so this is my journal that I will be using for the next 3 months. It is a combination of quilting and embroidery. So as you can see, I have a pocket back here. I have patchwork as well on all of it. I will be doing a spread for the cover, for the tag, sorry. But as you can see, it has patchwork. What I also like about this is I use the cereal box as to make it stable, but it also lays flat. It is going to be fun to write in because how flat it lays. Now I do have some posted stuff that I'm going to be using over the next couple of months. I made a quilted style pocket and it's roomy, so I can definitely fit a lot of stuff. So let's go into the flip through. So this is going to be a lot of craft paper I used this time around. Also, it is blank. I did not do a lot of things because I'm going to be packing this over the next couple of months. There's going to be a lot of spread and things that I'm going to add. So over time, it's going to be bulky and it's going to be a lot of things. But right now, it's very pretty, very floral. And you can see I'm still sticking with the blue theme, which is for water because, you know, the year of learning how to swim. So this is the cover, the first page actually, and I will be doing a spread for this one on the first. Over here we have an envelope style, and I'm going to be closing it with some washi tape once I'm done, but write in, so I'll be able to write in here and then close it up. So yeah, so we're gonna speed up the rest of this because I don't have a lot going on, but yeah. These are a lot of patchwork, as you can see, which I love. Another patchwork. I really love this craft paper. Really love this craft paper. And then in the back, I did a pocket, which is embroidery pocket. And we're gonna do another tag. And here goes the back, which we showed you earlier. And yeah, so I will eventually create some kind of closure, but because I still have so much room in this, if you can see me lifting it, it's a lot of room that's in here that I'm not gonna need to close a closure yet, but eventually once it starts to bulk up I will, but we'll see, and I will play around it with time. But I can't wait to stuff this with a lot of things that I want to make, and a lot of different kind of quilting extra things I'm going to add. I want to add some other stuff here, but we will you know, explore and show you as I go. So hopefully you guys join me on a journal mood. As you can see, journal mood this month and start April 1st. If you're seeing this late, no problem. Head over to my Instagram or my blog to get the calendar and jump in whenever. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.